A big one?
Oh, I made it too.
Your golf ball? Where is it?
What if you get one before a par? What's that?
That's a birdie. Yep. You got your wedge?
There, you want to use this one? You can hit harder with this one. I'll use the tree. Oh! See? Hey, that's mine, that's mine.
Oh, almost.
I thought that was going to be a birdie. This thing chips. If I over here two times, I might have two birdies.
Jace, get your putter. It's on the couch.
Wait, are those little things holes?
Mm-hmm.
They are?
What do you think they were? That's what we're using them for, isn't it?
Yeah.